Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Ppto on the Me at Walmart app. In order to do so, here we are at the Google Play Store, and to find the answer that we're looking for, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of AI at any time and get the answers that you're looking for. According to Cider, to use Ppto on the Me at Walmart app, follow these instructions. First, you're going to download and install the app. You can find it at the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Open the app and log in using your Walmart employee credentials. Navigate to the Pay or Paycheck section within the app. This may be labeled differently depending on app updates. Look for the option related to Paycheck Protection, Ppto. This may be included under Benefits or Pay Settings. Follow the instructions provided to apply for Ppto if you are eligible. You may need to enter specific details regarding your situation. Once you've filled out any required information, submit your request for Ppto. After submitting, you can track the status of your Ppto request in the app. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree, and there you'll find our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.